Knowledge is power, but if that knowledge is not applied, guys, you are wasting your time. I'm about to learn how to trade futures, but before learning how to trade futures, I do need to install MEXC. So MEXC, it is a crypto exchange that allows us to trade spot, fiat, and futures, and I am going to install that and also show you how to verify your account. Guys, if you haven't been watching my videos, you wouldn't know that there is a company that was launched on Saturday, and this company is called EasyFXAcademy, where we are going to learn how to trade crypto forex and also going to learn digital marketing. Guys, the world is going that direction with the fourth industrial revolution, going to the fifth industrial revolution. We do need to know how to use digital marketing, AI, robotics, machine learning, guys. So if you want to be left behind, guys, remain with your knowledge that is already outdated, or get with the program and join EasyFXAcademy. The link will be on the video description. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online, we learn crypto, and I can boldly say we learn forex as well, because EasyFXAcademy does teach us that. So without wasting time, let's go to my phone.
So you go to your app store and then search for MEXC, and you will find it, and then the next thing you just click it to install it. As you can see, it's busy installing. Guys, do remember the link I will leave in the video description, and then wait for it to finish, and then it will ask you to open. So I've just clicked open, and now I am seeing a lot of pop-ups, so you can just close this. It's just information to see, and then you can also set up like your face recognition, and then you'll get more tips, so you can read all of that if you have time. And then the next thing, you log in. So as you log in, it acts as your sign up if you are logging in for the first time. So for me, I do have an account already, so I'm just going to enter my password. So if you do not have an account, just act as if you're logging in, and it will create your account. So now that I'm almost there, it will send me a verification to my email. So I just go to my email and get this code that will be sent, and then click allow, and then you will also set up like your face recognition if you want. So for me, I normally do that so that people will not be able to access my account. So from here, you can just trade futures, spot, and also fiat. This is the screen, and you can see launchpad, you can see airdrops, you can see your statement as well of how you've been trading. And then this is what is going to be taught in EasyFXAcademy, so you do need to have this account. So if you're not joined if you haven't joined EasyFXAcademy, you'll find the link on the video description together with the link to install this. So this is the screen that you will see. So guys, I hope you're ready for us to learn how to trade. And I do say that knowledge is power, but then if it is not applied, you have to apply knowledge in order for it to be power. So yeah, guys, this is what we're going to get. So you can also get your referral link, so that if there's anyone who wants to install, you can just send them your referral link and also earn from these from MEXC, and make some money from that by referring your friend. It says you can even earn up to 70%. So I just copied my referral link, so you can get the flyers from here and then share it on social media. So we're now going to verify our account. Top left, you see that human thing, you click it and then it will take you there. You just click verify, and this is where you send your ID copies, and then you click verify, and then you select the country that you're from. I'm from South Africa, so I've just selected that, and then you enter your ID type. Mine it's ID card, and then you enter your details like your last name, your email, and then you go and take a picture of your ID, the front and the back. So this is the front of my ID card, and then I take a photo of that, and then I select use photo, and then the next thing I'll do the same for the back part. Let me just do that. Take a photo and then click select use photo, and then you submit for review. If you want to change the nickname, you just select there and then enter whatever nickname you have, because when you create an account, it will give you whatever name it decides, and then you click submit. That's how we do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.